Firefighters jump, helmets on. Ding, ding, ding. The big red truck roars down the street. Wheels spinning fast, moving to the beat. Past the bakery, past the school. Everyone waves, fire truck, you're cool. See the dog wag its tail, see the birds fly high. The fire truck zooms beneath the sky. Oh no, a kitten stuck up in a tree. The ladder goes up, now it's safe. Whee! The firefighters cheer and clap their hands, helping everyone across the lands. Oh no, a little house is on fire. Smoke is rising higher and higher. The fire truck arrives, siren loud and bright. Wheels screeching, red lights flashing in the night. Hose goes swoosh, swoosh, splash on the flame. Water spraying everywhere, put out the game. Steam rises up, smoke disappears. The town is safe, the children cheer. Firefighters climb ladders, save the day, bring everyone safely away. Dogs wag tails, birds fly high. The fire is gone, hooray, oh my! Time to park the truck, wash the wheels and hose. Shiny and bright, the red truck glows. Wave goodbye to friends, see you soon. Fire truck heroes will return this afternoon.